Hi, I'm Madeleine. I was named after Madeleine Albright. Hi, I'm Hillary. I was named after Hillary Clinton. Both Hillary and I were named after Secretaries of State, Democratic Secretaries of State. And my mommy, my human mommy, that is a Democrat. And because of that, she thinks both Hillary and I should be Democrats. Which is funny because we're just cats. We don't belong to a political party. So true. We're just cats. But we both believe Trump is an idiot. Trump is a disaster. I'm a cat, but Trump is a pussy. He whines all the time. No president has been harassed more than me. Trump said that in front of a statue of Lincoln, who was shot in the head. And he talks about being harassed. Oh, brother, give me a break. So, if this makes Madeleine and I Democrats, then so be it. Now that we've introduced ourselves, we want to tell you about our new show. When we're not eating or napping, we will be talking about cat stuff, our observations of humans, and our own take on politics. So watch this space for new episodes. And how often are we going to do this, Hillary? Whenever we want to. I mean, we're cats. We poop when we want. We eat when we want. We sleep when we want. We throw up on the white carpet when we want. We sleep on top of you when we want. I mean, we're cats, so we'll do the show when we want. And we hope to see you. Talk soon. Democrat